Well, hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to block someone on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So basically here in Monopoly Go, you have friends and maybe you have people who dislike you or you dislike them, vice versa. So basically here in Monopoly Go, all you have to do is go to your video board, friends, and you will see all your friends. So unfortunately, there is no such thing as a block feature here in Monopoly Go, but there's an unfriend feature here in Monopoly Go, which is pretty useful too, and it serves as a block button. And basically, you can block people by just pressing their icon and tapping remove. So basically, right here, we will see all my friends. I can remove them instantly, and they won't be notified, and they won't be in the friends list anymore, and it works vice versa. So again guys, all you have to do is go to your friends, leaderboard, and then you will find your phones, ping your Google, roll calls to the friends, tap on the person you want to remove, then press remove, and basically that is the lock feature one there. So if you like this video, I hope you like it, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.